Never overstock or run out again. How to use Walmart's Seller Inventory Manager. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Walmart's Inventory Manager is one of my best friends and my team's best friends because it does so many things very well. Let's show you. So you can see the WFS tab right here, and then this is where you send items into WFS. This is pretty much if you're utilizing WFS, which is Walmart Fulfillment Service. It's similar or the same as Amazon FBA. So this is Walmart's version of Amazon FBA. Amazon Prime, same thing. Cool. So this is how you send inventory into Walmart, so that way they get the 2-day shipping, the Walmart Plus, right? And we're going to look at all these different tabs here. So you can see the inventory tab, shipments, delivery appointments, removal orders, reports, sales, multi-channel orders. Now, the inventory tab right here, this is the best tab. My team uses it, I use it. It is very good because not only does it tell you the status, daily sales, daily units sold per day, it also tells you how many units you actually have available in Walmart right now. And it's been extremely accurate. Also, reservations are orders that are already placed that haven't been shipped. If you're sending any units inbound, any that are unavailable to sell. And here is huge data that you should be looking at once per week if you do have a lot of items in Walmart. How many days of supply do you have? When is the out of stock date? These are super important metrics. Now, when you first start selling the item on Walmart, these metrics are not going to be accurate. But after selling on Walmart for 30 days or 60 days, these metrics are going to be extremely accurate. So this really does help. And a lot of tools like this that are on Walmart are just very good. On Amazon, there's tools that you have to pay for. This one's completely free. So it literally tells you all of that data. You can also configure it and add all different things and then export the list into a CSV file, aka an Excel file. Now we can go into the shipments. So you can see all your shipments in transit. Has it arrived yet? Right? So it says it's arrived, but they take a little bit longer right now. Date created was March 15th. It's been about 7 days and it arrived. They haven't checked it in yet. So Walmart does take a little bit of time to check it in, but they're still faster than Amazon. So you can check out all your shipments, your drafts, and if there's any issues. Right, we shipped 140 in, they got 140. Pretty good. Delivery appointments. When you create an order, if we go back to the main page, like click on this button, you can actually schedule a delivery appointment. Right now, we don't utilize that feature, but in the future you could. Removal orders. So if you have inventory at Walmart and you just are like, oh, I'm not going to sell this product anymore, or you want it shipped back to you, maybe there's a recall, you can ship them all back and it's going to show up right here. Right now there's no records found. They also have a reports tab. This is specifically for WFS. It can show you all of your orders, customer returns, which is super important to make sure your customer return rate stays low, growth, inventory, payment and fees, and all that good stuff. How much are you paying for storage, right? All that fun stuff that you want to be looking at. Next, they have a sales dashboard for your WFS orders. So you can see how did you do this month so far compared to last month, right? So far this month, we're doing pretty good. You can see that there's a big dip right here from this month because we didn't generate any sales today. It's the morning, but we're expecting to beat last month's sales. So far, it's looking pretty good. You can see there's a huge spike here on March 4th. And you can see the units sold are also higher so far compared to last month. So let's make it a good month. You can look at that sales data right here. And last but not least is the multi-channel orders page. So this is an orders page if you want to connect your Walmart account to maybe eBay and things like that. So if somebody orders on eBay, you can just make sure that Walmart ships it to the eBay customer. So you can click add sales channel right here, connect it. It's not automatic, so it's manual, but it's getting there. So you can check this out if you're selling on eBay, Etsy, or Amazon, and you want Walmart to do the shipping. they can do that for you. All in all, Walmart's Inventory Manager is a savior for me, so I don't have to use so many different tools to look at my data and my inventory. It's a great backup to triple check your data and make sure everything looks good. But that's it for today's video. What other Walmart seller tools do you use alongside Inventory Manager? Drop a comment below to share pro tips. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z Walmart account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Walmart, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Walmart for hours on end just to fix an issue. Save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.